Hello students. Students, today we are going to start second chapter of Civics Parliamentary Government. But as we know, India is a democratic country and have its own constitution. Constitution provides parliamentary form of government. In this form of government, president is the nominal executive head and real power vested on council of minister headed by prime minister at the central level and by chief minister in the state level. So what is parliament? Parliament is the supreme law making body of our country. But as we know, there are three organs of the government: legislature, executive and judiciary. So parliament is the supreme sovereign legislature organ of the government. In our country, parliament have three components: president and its two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha represent the people and Rajya Sabha represent the states and union territories. In India, there is federal form of government. In this form of government, there are two type of the government: central level and state level. In federal system, parliamentary must have two houses. So there is one house which represent the people and second house which represent the states and union territories. So beta, first of all we will discuss the Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. It is known as upper chamber. It is also called the council of states. In Rajya Sabha, 250 members are there. There are two categories of the members: elected members and nominated members. Elected member, there are 238 elected members are there who represent the states and union territories. Nominated members are there. The present nominate 12 members of the Rajya Sabha. These members are eminent personality, yeah, we can say important person, those who are eminent in the field of literature, art and social services. All the members of Rajya Sabha are elected by the members of Legislative Assembly. Next, the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house of Parliament. It is known as Lok Sabha because it represents the people. The members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people. Lok Sabha is more powerful than Rajya Sabha because it have some more powers in many matter than Rajya Sabha. The total number of members are 552 for the eligibility of membership. The person should be citizen of India and age is 25 years of old. 25 years old. Out of 545 members, 530 members from the state and 13 members from the union territories. 2 members are elected from the Anglo-Indian community of our country. Some seats are reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. The representatives from states and union territories are directly elected by the people on the basis of universal adult franchise without no discrimination of caste, color, religion and gender.